Today we'll look at how to reduce the size of your Nastran OP2 file when running a Solution 103 response simulation on a structure with a large number of modes using the MEFFMASS output request. We're starting from the end of this video where we've already set up the response simulation, and we'll begin by cloning our Solution 103. And we'll make one change to it, which is to the output requests. Here we'll go ahead and clone our existing output request, and we'll turn on the MEFFMASS output request. We'll select the output medium as plot, the modal participation factors part fac, and a threshold value of 1%. Here we'll give it a name for MEFFMASS 1%. And we'll leave everything exactly the same and go ahead and solve. And the solve still takes about the same amount of time. However, the big difference is in the size of the output file. And here let's take a look at that. Here you can see the original file was about 1.2 gigabytes, and the one where we've used the MEFFMASS filtering you can see is about 270 megabytes. Alright, so let's go ahead and create a new response dynamics off of our new updated results with the smaller mode set. Here you can see we've got 22 modes as opposed to 123 modes last time. Next we'll define our damping. We'll put in the same viscous damping factor we had in our previous solution. And here let's take a close look at our normal modes. Here we'll see our total effective mass in the Y direction is a little over 81%, which is pretty good. With 123 modes, we can see we had a bit higher, as we'd expect, at 88%. And if we also take a closer look at the modes that we've recovered, we've got modes 1 and 2, but not 3 and 4. We've got 5, but not 6. And you can see that for each of those modes that it's recovered, at least one of the directions has a percent mass that's greater than 1%. And if we take a look at the original modes, specifically the ones that were missing, mode 3, you can see there are no directions that have percent mass greater than 1%. Alright, so let's go ahead and create our random base excitation in the same fashion as previously. We'll select the same output requests and confidence level, and we'll also specify the same excitation PSD. Next we'll go ahead and solve. And we'll take a look at our stress results. So here if we look at our VM stress, we can see we've got about 13.4 KSI. If we compare that to our original result that had the full 123 modes, we can see that the results differ by less than 1%. And that's how to reduce the size of your Nastran OP2 file when running a Solution 103 response simulation on a structure with a large number of modes using the MEFFMASS output request.